Late this afternoon, the U.S. House voted to pass the Equality Act. It's a bill that would extend civil rights protections to LGBTQ people. The bill caused two lawmakers to air their differences in the halls and on the walls of the U.S. Capitol. Congresswoman Mary Newman, a Democrat from Illinois, tweeted a video of her hanging a transgender pride flag outside of her office door yesterday. It's in full view of her House neighbor, Republican Congresswoman from Georgia, Marjorie Taylor Greene. She responded by posting a sign outside her office stating there are two genders, male and female. Representative Newman's daughter is transgender. She says she put up the flag to support her daughter and also after Representative Greene tried to block the Equality Act on the House floor. I talked with Tim Holbrook with Emory Law School. He was part of litigation surrounding marriage equality, and he talked about the significance of the signatures on today's legislation.
It's about housing, it's about employment, it's about public accommodations. It's basically about the everyday lived experience of LGBTQ people and making sure that they can operate in day-to-day living without encountering discrimination.
Georgia Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene has been strongly criticized by transgender groups, by Democrats, even some within her own party after she hung that sign they say is transphobic. How much does the back and forth show the need for more education and more conversations?
I think the need for education and conversation is crucial, but emphasizing the need for informed and compassionate conversation. These are difficult topics, and for people who are not familiar with the LGBTQ community, it can be a confusing space. But these conversations need to happen with empathy. And the example of the sign that the representative put up is not an empathetic one, and she was implicitly attacking the child of another member of Congress. And I think there's where you really do cross a line when you start to engage with someone else's child and the experience that they're having.
The Supreme Court has already taken a step toward the protections within the Equality Act. Justices ruled this summer that employers cannot discriminate based on sexual orientation or gender identity. And that was a case that originated in Georgia.